We're going to calculate the volume of the truncated cone. So let's start with the small cone. And so this is the one that got removed, right? The one that we took off. So, and we of course can't see it on here. So that cone has a radius of 2. We can see that. That's actually over here. And then we found that the height of it was 4. And we found that out by using the proportion and solving for the proportion for x. And so the height of the cone that we can't see that was taken off has a height of 4. So when we calculate the volume of that small cone which was cut off, that has a volume of 16/3 pi. Now the larger cone, which we can see part of it, but we can't see the whole thing because part of it was chopped off, that has the radius is 8. That's pretty clear and easy to see. And again, we're missing the piece of it. We have what's given to us is the 12 centimeters, but we still need to add the 4 centimeters from the part that was chopped off. So that's why you have a height of 16, because you have to include the centimeters that were chopped off. So when you do that, you end up with your volume of 1024/3 pi. So we're going to subtract the part that was taken off, and so you will subtract the 16/3 pi from the 1024/3 pi, and that's going to give you 1008/3 pi. Fortunately, that actually cleans up, which is nice. And that gives you 336 pi. And remember, we actually don't have our units right now, right? Even though sometimes it feels like pi is a unit, it's not. It's part of the number or the value. And so let's get some units on here. We were working with centimeters, and we're working with volume. So when we measure the volume, we need some cubic centimeters. So that's the volume of just the truncated part, the part that's left after the bit on the top was cut off.